So, for the third point, in addition to excelling in technical products and promotion, our own true most powerful ability, just our org and system capabilities. So many companies cannot see this. Some companies have many car brands. Some companies are focused on vehicle tech development. After we have done well at these 2 points, we implement internal management in the company. This part is done well. Then our org structure and logistics, legal affairs, risk control, internal process done well. 1 fast, 2nd safety. The third is to promote continuous iteration of products, so we are faster than our peers by a row, or 2 rows products will launch 1 or 2 more. Then our company has a comparative advantage, so our company is in this area. Do a strong support. Then there will be staff training, HR training, personal development, comprehensive area for all. Due to all tactics, to support with a full system, can only develop quickly in front. The things behind can't actually be seen, but often more diversity.